Now, the men's 110-meter hurdles is expected to be one of the most exciting events on the program at next week's J3A's National Senior and Junior Championships at the National Stadium. This event takes the spotlight in tonight's preview. Like it has been over the past few years, the men's 110-meter hurdles will be one of the crowd-pulling events at the upcoming J3A's National Senior and Junior Championships. Heading the lineup is Olympic bronze medalist and two-time defending champion Rashid Broadbell, the fastest Jamaican in the event this year at 13.06 seconds. Tokyo Olympics gold medalist Hansel Parchment, along with the improving Orlando Bennett, Rio Olympics and 2017 world champion Omar McLeod, Demario Prince and Tyler Mason will also be hunting tickets to the World Championships in Tokyo. Track and field analyst Dwayne Extall says Broadbell should retain his title, but fancies one contender as a surprise package for a top 3 placing.
Rashid Broadbell is in the best form out of everyone that has competed so far. Of the veterans himself, Hansel Parchment and Omar McLeod will be coming back. So it's going to be great to see them match up against each other. But the youngsters like Demario Prince and Jerome Campbell, they've done well so far the NCAA season. Demario Prince has gone 13-1, making him the second fastest Jamaican this year. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. But people tend to count out Orlando Bennett, and he always finds a way to get on these teams. So he's, I think, one of the dark horses to get one of those 3 spots. But Rashid Broadbell, the front runner without a doubt.
Fellow analyst Earl Bailey also has Broadbell as the favorite, but says it could be anybody's guess regarding the 2 remaining places for the World Championships.
It's kind of difficult to pinpoint the 3 that will actually represent Jamaica, but I can pick one. I'll say up front, Broadbell. Broadbell, that's Rashid Broadbell. He has run 13.06, beaten some of the best in the world already. So I would say he is safe, barring the unforeseen. But then you look further down and you see people like Hansel Parchment, Olympic champion, Omar McLeod, Olympic champion. Omar has not really distinguished himself over the last couple of years. Hansel Parchment, we're not certain of the form that he's in. Then there are 2 or 3 youngsters. There's Demario Prince. There's also Orlando Bennett, who knows how to make teams. And we have Tyler Mason, to a lesser extent.
The men's 110-meter hurdles final will be contested on Sunday's last day of competition. Live coverage of the National Senior and Junior Championships will be aired on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, One Spot Media, and Hits 92 FM from June 26 through to 29.